Oh God. I don't even know. Yeah, he's like right here. Yeah, I see him. I got no shot on my side. Nope. I get it, you're lighting up the window. Yeah, you got another one behind him. A guy behind him. God damn it. Yeah. You got a riot shield right on the corner, and you got a guy right behind him. Watch out, because they're shooting through at the window. Yeah, you got a riot shield on the corner, and then there's a guy across from him. Oh God. Jesus Christ. That was fun. A lot of fun. Yeah, right, show guy's dead. He's not there. Yeah, they're like starting to come up now. Yep, they're coming up. You dead? No. The other guy next. Oh. There's no opening there, David. What was the objective?
Get the bus, I think.
Huh?
Get the bus.
We have to get the bus. I see people in the bus. Howdy.
Anybody?
Huh?
Can't see anybody?
I can't see my right side. You see anyone on your side? Ah, God, he got me in the foot. I think the right side. Ah. David's right up front. Here, let me go first. I don't see anyone. Good. Hi. Ow, ow, oh gosh. Where did that hit me from? Oh, you're I was like, where did that hit me from? Oh. I was gonna go spot. This is a stretchy guy. I see him, I see him, I see him, I see him. Alright. Oh, they're at the car. The van. Yeah. Yeah. What? Yep, he's right next. He's in the van. Can you get him, dude? I'm out. Reloading. Jesus. Yeah. Huh? You need a clip, Alex? Oh. I thought you said he needed. Oh, alright. Right across. Ah, nicked me. Nicked me. Ow, I'm already hit. Please don't hit me. Jesus. Give me a sec, I'm just loading.
Dude, we were in the bus, and Gigi goes, "Yo, I have a couple guys in the window. My gun's out." And I'm like, "Okay, cool." And so I go over to peek, and he gets him killed.
Dang.
Thanks, dude. We were in the bus.
Dang. Yeah, that's the best spot. Because if you're in it already, it's hard for them to capture it.
Yeah, we were in it. We had the doors closed. There was 4 of us in there, so we had all of the angles covered.
Dang. It's just, you know, how the game works. Oh. Da 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 da, having a good time, yodeling. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a gun. At least a rifle or something. Oh, thanks.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. I'll just hold it because they're gonna use it anyways.